at the river, it is flowing fast. The little fish are swimming past. I am standing here under the tree. I am singing a song for you and me. I am feeling so free. Right now, this is where I want to be. Something is happening right now. I'll show you exactly when and how. M is R, then add the ing. It's the busiest tense for you and me. We are learning, we are growing. The energy of the forest is showing. The hungry squirrel is eating a nut. The forest door is never closing shut. She is climbing high, he is running fast. Make this moment of learn last. It is raining now, but we don't mind. In every moment, a lesson we find. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Everything is moving like a shining star. You are speaking English, you're doing so well. We are sharing stories that we love to tell. They are dancing now, the flowers in the breeze. The wind is blowing through the tall green trees. The sun is setting in the golden sky. What are you doing? I am learning. What are we doing? We are singing. Present continuous, happening now.
Present continuous, happening now.